Konnichiwa minasan. So I think we completed this particular page last time, but still let me go through it once again. So the first kanji ja mazu ushi kara hajimemashou. Ushi wa cow desu ne. So this is the kanji for cow, and konyomi wa ushi, onyomi wa gyu desu ne, gyu. じゃあどうやって書きますか見てください。So let's focus on the stroke order. 1 2 3 4. The most important part is this particular thing. Okay, this line, it would extend upwards. Okay, so because we will have a similar kanji in the same chapter, and this is the only difference between this and that kanji. Let me write it once again. Ichi, ni, san, yon. This is a touch. Okay, the first is a stroke, like a brush off. Ushi and gyu. So ushi was cow, as we've already done. Suigyo is buffalo. This will definitely come because the kanjis which you've already done will definitely come. Then gyu niku. Gyu niku mo hitsuyo desu kedo. Niku I think we won't do in 10th. So still you can go through this kanji, though I don't think this will come. Gyunyu also, new is not the kanji which should come. This is again very high level kanji, but gyunyu is milk, so we should remember at least the vocabulary. Jatsugi ni ikimashou. Uma. So most of you are making mistake in this kanji, so please focus on the stroke order, how we write and what is exactly to be written. Ja. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, chu. So first thing that you need to focus on is that first is this line, then you have this, okay, then this one. There are two lines in between the last thing, so two lines in between, and focus on the direction of the strokes, last four strokes. So 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so one is this side, like on the right towards the left, then on the right side. Again, Uma is your horse, and Basha is a carriage. Toroi no Mokuba is again your Trojan horse. This won't come. I don't still this one, second one will definitely come because Kuruma's kanji you will do in this chapter. Joba won't come because this is Norima's kanji, and this I most probably will not come because of this particular kanji. Okay, let's move to the third one. Sakana this ne, sakana fish, this fish, and then we have sakana and gyo. So most of you will forget this, so please focus because sakana you'll still remember. Ja ikkai kakijun o mimashou. Let's focus on the stroke order now. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Again focus on the strokes. Hachi, kyu, ju, chu, ichi. So your first stroke will always be on the left hand side, and the others will be a bit tilted towards the right. So now one thing, yes, I think I have already mentioned in the class, the box will close only after you've completed everything, all the lines inside. So this is the same example. Sakana fish this ne. Kingyo wa goldfish. Then Ningyo is a mermaid. This kanji will definitely come, these two kanjis, because we have done all these kanjis already. Next is kai, shellfish. Now this looks more like the kanji for kai mas, though you won't be doing that in this 10th, I suppose. Let's focus on the stroke order. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Now focus on the last two strokes. Roku, nana. Again opposite, totally opposite, left and right. So only one kunyomi kai. Kai is a shellfish and kaigara is your shell. Now this kanji is very important. Ame for rain. Very important kanji. Ame and u. U is not really used like a lot, but still ame is very important. Now how do we make this kanji? Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi. First important thing is your first stroke. The very first stroke, this is shorter than this one. This is a longer stroke and this is a shorter stroke. Then second thing, the 4 strokes are in one order. This looks more like it's raining. If you see these 2 pictures, it looks like it's raining inside this particular box. So it will always be 1, 2 and 3 and 4 this way. So our words are ame, rain. O ame, again a very important word. This kanji will also come. O ame is heavy rain. O ame is heavy rain. Uki is again your rainy season. Ki is not in our syllabus, so this kanji will not come for ki. Next, 10. 10 is heaven. So if you see this person, he's holding like heaven on top of his hands. It's something like that. So kakima shone. Ichi, ni, san, yon. What we need to focus here is on the first stroke is longer than the second stroke, and the rest 2 are a brush off. Rest 2 strokes are brush off. Then reading is 10. 10 is your heaven. 10 ki. This kanji is in this chapter as well. Tenki is weather. Tengoku is paradise. This kanji is also important. This is the kanji for Kuni. This will also come. Kuni is country, so this kanji will also come. So paradise becomes basically a country of heaven or something like that. So you can memorize it this way. Let's move to our next kanji. Again, the key of Tenki is this. Spirit. Also the key of Genki is this. How do we write this kanji? Always try to write it using the stroke number so that you don't make mistake in the stroke number. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. Mo ikkai kakimashou. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. The middle stroke is shorter. If you see on top as well, the middle stroke is shorter. The last one is a bit longer stroke. And the direction of this cross, it's not like this. This is wrong. This is not how we need to write. It's simply ichi this way. Now again, tenki, weather. I told you this kanji we've already done 10. Then we have ninki. Ninki is popularity. This is again a new word but very important word. This kanji we've done, so it will definitely come. Ki o tsukemas. Ki o tsukemas is ki o tsukeru. This is tsukeru, but this is ki o tsukemas, to take care. This kanji is also very important, like this goi. Then kimochi. Kimochi is feeling. Now how do you learn this kanji? Mochi is again mochimas. Mochimas is to hold. So if you hold a spirit or something like that, it is basically a feeling. So try to learn the kanjis by its meanings. It will become easier for you. Let's move to the next kanji. This is the kanji for kuruma, which is car. Car. Readings are kuruma and sha. For this the reading was only ki. Kuruma and sha. How do we write it? Let's see. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana. Again, important thing, the first stroke is shorter than the last stroke. This is the longest stroke, and the last line is this vertical line. Do not draw this before, because I told you this box needs to be completed and everything needs to be completed before you close something. So kuruma and sha. Kuruma is a car. Densha, again very important. This den is there in your syllabus. This will come in the next chapter. Densha, very important. Train. Jidosha, though is not there in your syllabus, this will not come. So Jidosha is automobile. Next is Mon. Mon is this, looks like a gate. Just consider it like a gate. If you see, this also looks like a gate, right? So this is exactly this kanji. Now how do we draw it? The meaning is the gate as well. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Go, ro, ku. There is a hook. Focus on this. Nana and Hachi. I'm drawing again. Ichi, ni, san, yon. So this one was same, like in one go. Ku, nana, hachi. Don't forget this hook. This is very important. Otherwise, the kanji will be wrong. Now the reading is mon. Mon. Mon is a gate. Okay. Then Seimon. Seimon is main gate. This kanji won't come. This we haven't done this kanji, and this will not come. Senmon again will not come, because Senmon is speciality. I think we've already done this in the vocabulary. Senmon is major field of study of speciality. Sen kanji will also not come. This is not in your syllabus. Last one is Hiru. If you remember, when we started, I told you there is similar kanji to Ushi. So this is the kanji which is for Hiru. Which is not for Hiru, basically for Go. I'm so sorry, this is for Go, this is not Hiru. It actually, this is not the reading, so don't focus this as a reading. This is not the reading. Why noon? I'll tell you why noon is written here. Let's first draw the kanji. So Ichi, ni, san, exactly the way we drew it for Ushi, but the stroke won't go on from top but from this line. Okay, I'm writing the two here together for Ushi and as well as for this Go. Now Ichi, ni, san, yon. Ichi, ni, san, yon. So do you see the difference? The line is not going up. So this is your Go and this is Ushi. Now why I told you this is Go? Because this is the kanji for Gogo and Gozen. So the first Go of both Gozen and Gogo is this kanji. Gozen you've already done. My is the same as this one, Sen, and Ato is again Go. So morning or afternoon. So this is why I told you why afternoon is written here, but it's their concept. So anyway, Gozen and Gogo. Okay, these two are very very important. So do mark all the kanjis that I have mentioned, because they will definitely come. Now your homework is Koremo Shukudai desu. The first page of chapter 7. This match the following is your homework. Soretomo Koremo Shukudai desu. Koremo Shukudai desu. Okay, so please complete your Shukudai in time and submit. Ja minasan, sayonara.